Hi everyone. So in the previous video we have added a new factory called as demo factory. So in this video we are now going to add machine types. For this you need to click on menu icon and then click on machine types. You can simply click on add button and here you need to add the machine types. So let's add the name as demo machine type. You can copy paste the description and then you need to click on save button. So you can see now you have a new machine type, which is demo machine type, added successfully. Thank you.